and welcome to Quirky Books with Katie. Today I have an announcement for you guys, and unfortunately it's not a happy announcement on my part, and it's not something that I want to do, but I kind of have to. My announcement is that I'm going to go back to only filming one video per week, and this is a really hard decision for me to make. But I just started school. I'm in my junior year of high school, and as many of you guys know, that's the hardest year of high school, and I'm taking some hard classes this year, and I really want to focus on my schoolwork. As much as I love doing YouTube, you guys know how much I just love doing this. Ever since I've become a part of the community back in December, I've just had the most amazing time doing this. I love it so much, but putting that aside, school is still my number one priority, and I have to focus on that. And I just don't think that if I'm making a ton of videos, although like I said, I'm going to go back to only filming one video per week. Those videos are probably going to go up on Sunday. Don't quote me on that, but as of right now, that's what I'm thinking. This is such a hard decision for me to make, guys. It's something that I have to do, and this is going to be starting soon. And if there is, like, a week where I read a book that I really need to talk about, I'll probably post a second video. It's not going to happen that much. And this is only temporary. It's only going to be until I get settled in school, until I fully know what I can handle. And if what I can handle is only one video per week, then unfortunately that's what I'm going to have to do. And I just hope you guys understand. I love this so much, and it just sucks that I have to do this, but it's what I have to do. So thank you to everyone for watching my video. Sorry that there's not going to be as many out soon. This is what I have to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you again soon.